Hello everyone, this is MTL Jack. Today I'm working on a BMW 328 F30. This has the N20 engine. It is the same in the X1, X3, 320s, you know, all the ones that has the N20, the 2-liter engine. Basically, I'm working to change the oil housing gasket right here. But as you know, you have to remove the manifold. What I always do and work for me, and you see here, I grind it like a notch using a Dremel and a drilling bit right here. So this way I can just access the E10 from here, and it works. I mean, it does not create any leaks because you can see this is basically a brace on the manifold, and there's so much, and it's just so thick that you can grind a bit off like here, and then you can use your ratchet here and you'll have access to all your torques, and it's very simple. So this way you don't have to remove the ACO, the connectors, remove the manifold, blah blah blah, all this. You know, you can just, you know, grind it off a bit, no headache, and you can reach the E10 here, another E10 here, and then there's another one here on top, and then should be fine. I've done this on few F30s already. What I do at the end of the job is I put some epoxy to reinforce the brace once again after working on it. Basically I shaved it out a bit, but I'll just give it a bit more structure afterwards. Do you have to do this? No. Is this the best trick? To me, it is the easier than taking off the whole thing and taking the risk to break the connectors. Here I'm zip tying this because this connector will be in the way always, and that's why I'm protecting it, and it's gonna work, trust me guys. And like I said, just be careful, don't over grind. Always use a Dremel, don't use something too heavy, too fast, whatever. Anyways, wish you guys luck, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day.